Hello everyone, this is Sharon Anya here again from Saladmaster in Perth, and today I want to show you a simple meal called Veggie Lo Mein. Using our 3-quart Gourmet Wok limited edition with draining rack, and of course it comes with a golden lay, 24-karat plated, limited until March 31 only. Okay, so for our ingredients, you will see the full recipe at the end of this video. So all we need to do is to just prepare first the vegetables using our Saladmaster machine cone number 5. For our carrots, this is the crinkle cut. Just cut all the vegetables, carrots, zucchini, and it will look like this. Okay, using cone number 2, let's cut some celery. And using cone number 4, let's cut our red cabbage. And for our minced garlic, cone number 1. After cutting the vegetables, just pre-cook your noodles. And after that, just preheat the cookware, your 3-quart Gourmet Wok, on medium heat. And then, of course, do the water test like this. See if it's the right temperature. Put the garlic. For this dish, you can remove the draining rack, ginger, and onion. Just put the cover for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how it looks like. And now it's time to add our vegetables. So this is zucchini, carrots, pumpkin, and just cover it for about 5 minutes. Medium, click low. And for our sauce, we just combined soy sauce, honey, Chinese cooking wine, oyster sauce, sriracha sauce for some spiciness, and sesame oil. After 5 minutes, this is how it looked like. Look at the vegetables, very bright still and very tender. Now it's time to put our noodles and our sauce. Now let's mix it. You can also add meat if you want, or mushrooms. Now it's time to cover it again for another 5 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. Yum! And then you can top it with green onions. That's it. Simple, quick, and easy meal using our 3-quart Gourmet Wok. And of course, it's time to taste it. Yum. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye!